guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the little bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always happy you're here. So let's get into today's look.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
So today's review will be on a hairband wig, and I got it from Wenyu of Long Yao, if I'm pronouncing that right. Wenyu of Long Yao. So this hair was sent to me by Amazon company, Long Yao, and it came in this box, and it got 2 hairbands, which is nice. And this is the unit right here, and it's 14-inch. So it definitely has a funny smell to it. But let me go on Amazon. So this was sent to me by them. I'm gonna go on Amazon to give you the specs on it. So this is curly hairband unit, human hairband, and it's Brazilian, 14 inches, and the color is natural black. They don't have any density on it. So this, for the length, is $54.99. so for the price, it's not bad. And you know, guys, hairband units are in. This is the trend for 2020. And this is what she looks like. Look at the curls. I love the curls. And I think I love the length. And you know, hairband unit, it comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the adjustable Velcro straps, which is not bad. And yeah, so I don't know if it's the way my hair is folded underneath or braided underneath, but it feels really snug without me even putting on the Velcro straps. It feels really tight. But oh my gosh, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I love it. I love the length, and it has a really funny, it smells really funny, I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to use so I use the comb in the back. I usually don't like using the comb in the back, but I use the comb in the back, and that's holding it tight. It smells like, if you guys get this unit, you definitely will want to wash it before you put it on, because it just have a funny smell to it, and I don't like it. It's just, but with the hairband, you don't have to, if you don't have any edges like me, I don't have any edges on the side, so I just lay my edges down right in the front, just because I think it looks cute like this. Oh snap, oh snap. But yeah, I like it. You want to make sure your braid is you have a flat foundation with these. But oh my gosh, the length is just everything. I wish I knew the density on this unit, but it doesn't say it. I'm trying to read down further and see if there's a, so the average cap size is 22 to 22.5, so it's definitely not big hair friendly. It's not. Yeah, so it doesn't say the density. I wish it did, but it's not, like, I think it's a little too thin for my liking. I wish it was a little puffier, you know, but you can like comb it out. You can finger comb it. Oh yes, I'm like loving the look from finger combing it. Okay, so I had to make a quick change. I feel like it was missing something. I feel like I was missing something, so I put these earrings on because I look cute. But back to this hair. I am loving it. Like, after I fluff it out, I'm loving it even more. I love the length. Like, this is really easy. Just, I feel like, but yeah, so these earrings are from Monet Dior Couture. They're fabulous. I wanted to wear hoops, but then I realized I don't have any hoops earring, and these were like the only earrings that I have other than studs. So I was like, yeah. And then surprisingly, it kind of goes with this, the headband that the company sent with the wig. It goes with this, so we're gonna put that on. Oh yeah, I love it. Like, I love that they send like the big ones. Like, this is really nice. Oh yeah, like this is really cute. It's, yeah, I'm gonna try this one on first. Oh yeah. But oh my gosh, guys, like, I like love this. This is like my favorite hair so far. I just love it. Like, the length is just everything for me. Like, it is everything. I love it. And this headband, this is like my favorite one so far. Like, like, I just like how it's like matching my eyeshadow. There's a little pink in it, and it's matching my earrings. I love it. And not even playing all of this. But yeah, headbands, like, bitch, where? Okay. You can see, as you can see from my excitement, I'm feeling it, man. I'm feeling it. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.